Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, we from group 4 will presented our project about illegal drone solution in Mandalika using YOLO V8. The member is me, Faisal Haji Ramadan, Jordan Jevaya Purba, and Marcel Theo Sutarto. Okay, yep. And the abstract is about the Mandalika. So the Mandalika is one of the leading tourist destination in Indonesia, which is also the location for the 2023 MotoGP. However, there is a problem that disrupt the smooth running of the event, namely the existence of the illegal drones flying in the Mandalika circuit area without permission. These illegal drones can endanger the safety of the racers, spectator, and security personnel. Therefore, a solution is needed to detect and take down such illegal drones effectively and efficiently. One of the solution is use YOLO V8, CNN, and machine learning. So YOLO V8 is object detection algorithm that can recognize drones from various angles, distance, and with higher accuracy. CNN is type of artificial neural network that can process images and videos. And the machine learning is a branch artificial intelligence that can make learn from data and make predictions and decisions. So using these three technology, the system can identify illegal drones from camera or radar, send signal to bring them down, and store drone data for future analysis. Yeah. The introductory is about MotoGP 2023, especially in Mandalika Circuit Lombok. This event attract many people. However, behind the success of this event, there is problem that the security and smooth running of it. Namely, is the illegal drones flying in the circuit without permission. So there can be in danger for racers, spectator, and personnel security, as well disrupt the communication navigation system by the organizer. Therefore, a solution is needed to detect the take down illegal drones efficiently. One of the solution is use YOLO V8, CNN, and machine learning. Uh, YOLO V8 again is to detect. CNN is one of the artificial neural network, and the machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. So the research aim to build the detection system based on YOLO PhD and machine learning. This research provide the information related to illegal drone, uh, such as parties, such as the government event organizer, informers, and general public. Uh, this research different from previous studies because this study focus on detection of illegal drones algorithm, which is more sophisticated than YOLO V3. The study also used CNN machine learning to process images and video data from illegal drones and bring them down. So this research is expected to be contribute to development science and technology, especially object detection using YOLO V8, CNN, and machine learning. Okay, the method will be discussed by Marcel Theo.
Our method is, in this study, we use the image detection method to recognize object in the image. We use YOLOv8 algorithm, which is one of the newest and most advanced object detection algorithm. YOLOv8 can detect objects quickly and accurately by using convolutional artificial neural network. We use Google Colab as a platform to run code and train our models. Google Colab is a cloud computing service that provides an interactive Python for computer vision. We choose a data set that fits our research objective, namely the self-driving car dataset containing image of car, pedestrian, traffic light, bicycle, and truck. We download the dataset in YOLOv8 format and upload it to Google Colab. We then perform several pre-processing steps on the dataset, such as resizing image, adding augmentation, and dividing the data into train, validation, and test data. Then we train the YOLOv8 model by using training and validation data. We set several parameters such as learning rate, batch size, efforts, and optimizer. We also use several techniques to improve model performance, such as early stopping, learning rate scheduler, and dropout. We then evaluate our model using test data. We use several metrics to measure model accuracy, such as mean, average, precision, or MAP, precision, recall, and F1 score. We also display the detection result of our model in the form of an image with bounding box and class labels. Next. A is architecture YOLOv8. YOLOv8 is new object detection algorithm that use convolutional artificial neural network to predict bounding box, object score, and class probabilities for each object in an image. YOLOv8 architecture consists of two main parts, backbone and head. Backbone use a modified version of a CSP Darknet 53 architecture, which consists of 53 convolutional layers and adopts cross-stage partial connection to improve the flow on information between layers. The head uses a self-attention mechanism to focus on key part of the image and adjust the weight of filter based on their relevance to the text. The head also consists of several convolutional layers and a fully connected layer that is responsible for producing the final output. Next. B is machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that can make systems learn from data and make prediction or decision. Machine learning can be used for a wide variety of applications, such as voice recognition, facial recognition, product recommendation, sentiment analysis, and more. Machine learning can be divided into several types, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. CNN stands for convolutional neural network, which is a type or artificial neural network that can process image and video as well. CNN consists of several layers such as a convolution layer, a pooling layer, and a fully connect layer. The convolution layer is responsible for applying filters or kernels to the image to extract important features such as edge, texture, and shapes. The polling layer is tasked with reducing the size of the map filter by choosing the maximum or average value of its area. The fully connect layer is responsible for making prediction or image classification based on the filter that have been obtained. Next.
Okay, for the experiment, I will explain why drones are a threat to security and safety in Mandalika. Therefore, efforts from various parties are needed to overcome this problem, and this type of wheeled drone can be used to take picture or video from inside the circuit without permission, which can be used for the commercial gain. In addition, wheeled drones can also be used for sabotage, for example, by dropping dangerous objects onto the track. Therefore, efforts are needed to overcome the problem. We use YOLO V8 and a combination of Google Colab to solve the problem. A. Dataset. This study used datasets from Logofo that had been downloaded in the form of a drone photos totaling 108070 electronic image photos with 1259 electronic image photos to validate. Table I show the database show we use this table classes training validation and drone 100 I mean 1870 and the validating 1259. Okay, next. Okay, B training. We used to 170 image that were processed epochs 100 times and the train result was 1259 image. You can see the picture in left picture from finalist result training model and the right for the picture mapping train. Okay, next. And see the validation. After the training process is carried out, validated results are obtained in the form of confidence curve and recall curve shown in figure 3 and visual validation result in figure 4. The validation visualization results show an accuracy of 99.3% in figure 6. From the left side, we can see the picture recall versus precision in the validation process. For the right side, the picture validation visualization. Next. Okay, for the conclusion, the use of illegal drones can threaten the smooth running of the 2023 for MotoGP even in Mandalika. That's why we made a drone detection tool to reduce illegal drone effectively and efficiently. This every this this every I mean this very useful to maintain the security and smooth running of the 2023 MotoGP event in Mandalika. Next. Okay, this is a bibliography. You can see the slide. Next. Okay. Thanks. Maybe that's all our presentation from our group. More or less, we say apologize to the watcher and thanks